Are you facing the same problem I can face right now? It's none other than Elementor logging problems. So if you're facing this problem in 2023, I will solve this problem in this video now. So continue full video to how I can solve this video. You can watch this video and then you can understand actually. So there is many reasons to Elementor can't be logged in. You can see right corner over there is the Elementor save mode. Maybe some of the people say this is Elementor save mode is enabled, and then maybe it's your website can load it, a website admin can load it, but it's not right. It's not loaded. So this is disable right now, and now this is disable. Okay. Sometimes is happen for PHP updates, sometimes is happen for WordPress updates, sometimes is happen for Elementor plugin update, sometimes is happen for your WordPress setting, is changing. And though I tried the whole 3 or 4 thing in this video and see what actually happened, why not loading this and so without for any further delay, let's go and see what actually is happened. Right, first we are going to our hosting here, but actually we can buy our hosting, right? And then top bottom, and then see you can PHP version, right? Over there PHP version 8.0 is updated. WordPress version 6.3.2. that means the PHP WordPress although is tick mark because is though although is updated versions, and then so you can check also what actually are come from a new updated in PHP WordPress. And then this all two are check mark, and then we are typing to our next to our WordPress. Come to WordPress dashboard and then go to plugin, install plugin, and then find Elementor, right over there, Elementor, right? Always that remember Elementor is auto updated. My Elementor is updated because I updated some days ago. That's why its version is 3.17.1. right? It's updated. It's not updated, maybe show inside, and maybe Elementor suggests me that I want to update this Elementor. Make sure that this Elementor plugin is always auto updated. So this Elementor plugin also updated, so it's also check mark. And then we go to our next section is settings, WordPress settings and general settings, and see what's actually is happening our settings. Okay, we can find out our problems, and like you can see WordPress at this URL, right? www.mahbubtechsavvy.com, but you see in the side at this URL there is not www is missing, right? www is missing, and then there is mahbubtechsavvy.com over there, but it's missing www. Make sure that your this URL and then this URL is similar every time. If I doing this, then it's gonna good, right? We are see it as is gonna log in or not. You see is not loading because of our Elementor settings are not unsearchable and not maybe messy. That's why WordPress site address or site address URL are not same. Okay, we are fixed this and then write www.mahbubtechsavvy.com. That make sure that those URL are the same, right? Those URL are the same because of your Elementor. Those URL are same, and then your website can be run, right? So we are doing save things, right? Now there save change, and it takes some few seconds actually. Okay, it's updated, and this updated notification successful. Okay, that's cool. You can see, and those are the same URL we can edit right now, and then we go to on there and see Elementor loading problem is solved or not. I reload it. Let's see what actually is that is solved it or not. Okay, just wait a few seconds. This loading actually is depends on your internet, that your internet fast, its loading is very fast. So let's see what actually is okay or not. Okay, you can see we have solved this problem. So if we are facing any of this issue in putting through Elementor loading, or maybe I can upload future in more Elementor video, please make sure subscribe to my YouTube channels because I create more video like this. So goodbye, see you next one. Please.
Susah buat tabung, tapi saldo sondor kosong. Brand baru masuk, langsung bet borong. Royal uang, tapi seng buang.